Namaskar, I am Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. In this video, today I am going to talk about something I'm damn sure that you are facing right now. It's all about the grammar. I observe most of the common things among the English language learner that they are too much focusing on the grammar rather than the speaking, and they literally worried about the grammar. They always overthink that if I am not good in grammar, then I can't be able to speak English properly. It is very obvious that they can't speak English properly because they don't know grammar. What exactly should I learn if I am beginner? I don't know anything. They are always confused about the topic, that which topic should we learn first to speak English fluent. They always ask such questions that what should we learn first, grammar, article or modal. First of all, you should come out from the myth that without grammar you can't speak. I can't deny that grammar is essential to enhance your ability to express yourself effectively in English. It means it is a crucial, but you can't give too much focus on the grammar. If you are focusing too much on the grammar, then you can't able to too much focus on the speaking, because ultimately our goal is to speak. If you are putting too much focus on the English grammar, then you are getting confused. It is became bored because there are lots of the rules and the formulas in the English grammar. It is a vast syllabus, and if you are focusing on that, then ultimately you can't able to speak. At that moment you feel bored and frustrated while mugging up all these rules and the formulas in the English grammar, and you said, oh, it's not my cup of tea. If you are totally beginner in the learning grammar, then you should more focus on the listening and the reading books. It will be help you a lot to enhance your speaking power, because you can able to construct a simple and basic sentence. In order to follow up this process day by day, you are improving and be comfortable in this language, and you can easily understand that whatever you are reading and the listening. By reading and listening, you can easily able to construct a simple sentence. Even though you can speak a broken English, but it doesn't matter. In the beginning it is happened, it is normal. I would like to give you one simple example so that you can understand better. Whenever you are start to speaking your mother tongue, did you learn the grammar? No. I'm sure only by listening you can understand and able to construct a simple sentence in your mother tongue. There is no big deal for you that you are not able to speak in your mother tongue. Then why it is a problem for you if you are speaking in the English? I'm damn sure that you can speak English by only listening and the reading books without learning too much grammar. At the beginning you should only follow up these two tips and you can speak English very well. Don't focus on too much grammar. I hope that this video will be help you a lot. Thank you. Vande Mataram.